Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can install Fubo TV on Amazon Fire TV. So I will tell you step by step with pictures how you can install Fubo TV on Amazon Fire TV. So for that, just open your any browser on your mobile phone or on your laptop and search for the Fubo TV installation guide. When you search this on your browser, the first website in front of you, you can see Fobo Help Center. How do I install the Fobo app? So click on this website. When you click on this, now here you can see the installation method. The first of all, Amazon Fire TV. So in order to install Fobo TV on Amazon Fire TV, click on this plus option and now you can see step by step guide with picture. First of all, choose find from the Amazon home screen, then select search. The second step, the third step, and so on. Here you can see. So this is the way how you can install Fubo TV on Amazon Fire TV.